What about data science? How did it come about? What are its concepts and application in our world today? If you would like to find out, hop in, sit tight, and let's go for a ride this way. Hello and welcome back. Fanen Ibi from Gisler Institute of Statistics and Data Science. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below. Enable notifications to watch more informative videos like this one. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Data science is the application of scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. It entails comprehending and employing techniques from fields such as mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain expertise in order to extract useful insights from data. The term data science was coined in 1974 by Peter Nor, a Danish computer scientist and mathematician, as an alternative name for computer science. In 1996, the International Federation of Classification Societies was the first to include data science as a topic. Furthermore, while the term data science is relatively new, the concept has a long history. Data science is, in many ways, an interdisciplinary field that draws on existing disciplines such as statistics, computer science, and domain-specific knowledge. As a result, the modern field of data science can be traced back to the 1950s and 1960s, when statisticians and computer scientists began working together on large-scale data problems. Data scientists use a variety of techniques to analyze data, including machine learning, statistical analysis, and data visualization. They may work with a variety of data types, such as numerical data, text data, and image data, and they may process and analyze data using a variety of tools and technologies such as programming languages like Python and R, databases, and data visualization software. They use their findings to assist businesses in making decisions, developing new products and services, and solving complex problems. Data science as a multidisciplinary field combines a wide range of skills such as programming, statistical analysis, data visualization, and domain expertise. It is a developing field with numerous career opportunities. People with a strong background in data science are in high demand across a wide range of industries.
On to the question of the day. In what other fields do you presume data science can be applied? Post those in the comment section below, because you always provide some of the best answers and feedback. You can also ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it if you found it useful. Until next time, Gisler Institute of Statistics and Data Science, giving data its meaning. Keep making progress, and we'll talk again soon.